Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's another exciting day because I'm going to be doing my Boxycharm unboxing for February. So if you have not, please like and subscribe to my video, ring my bell, and let's get into this unboxing. So this is February's Boxycharm. This is what the box looks like inside. Here's the products that I got, and I'm gonna go through them with you guys and show you everything I got. Boxycharm. So this is a little leaflet. It says adore, adore. I guess it's for the love month. The first thing I got was this Kate Sommerville KX Active Concentrate Biomimicking Peptide Serum. So I did use it, and it did make my skin feel really good. Here's the bottle. Here's the packaging. So Kate specially formulated this high active concentrate to transform dull sagging skin into visibly firmer, smoother, refreshed looking skin after just 1 week. So I have to use it because especially like under my eyes is where I have the most problems, and my neck. So I did use it once, but I will use it again. So I'll let you guys know how that works. Well, the second item I got was this Luxie Beauty complete sponge set. This set of sponges provides full array of applications. Each sponge is built with a different densities, water retention rates, and shapes. These sponges are supposed to be, you know, to help you put on your makeup and help you contour your face better. So the next thing I got was Amika Supernova Moisture Shine Cream. Here's the packaging for this. It's so pretty. And this brand always smells really good. It's a cream, a weightless leave-in cream that provides super hydration, detangling, supernaturally soft and smooth brilliance and shine. So it's just it's a leave-in conditioner when it comes down to it. It smells really good though too. The next thing I got was this 5-piece Moda brush set. Moda Pro takes Moda to the next level. This line features superior quality, filaments, and modern professional shapes. So you can just use these brushes to create different looks, and there's different brushes in them. I actually went onto their website and I ordered a bunch of other brushes that they had that were really inexpensive to do a cut crease. Here's one of them that I bought. It's the LG Concealer C225 by Silk. I guess like the rounder the brush is, the top, I guess it helps with the cut crease, so I'm gonna try this one out. I haven't used it yet. And the last item I got is from Pure Cosmetics 4-in-1 Correcting Primer, Energize, and silicone free with aloe, coconut water, and probiotics. Well, we could just see how it works. Okay, so I'm gonna go back through everything and tell you the prices of everything. So the Kate Sommerville Serum retails for $98. Wow. So this is $98, so this better work. It's a miracle in a bottle. The Luxie Beauty sponges retail for $40. The Amika Leave conditioner retails for $25. The Moda brushes, the 5 Moda brushes in here, retails for $27.95. And the Pure 4-in-1 Correcting Primer retails for $17. So I'll add it all up and I'll put it here so we can get the total later. I don't know about Boxycharm because I got one makeup item and I changed my little settings in there because I wanted to get more makeup, of course. I mean, I'm happy with the skincare because I do like to do skincare videos on my channel, but I don't know. I guess I'll have to look for next month to see if it's worth it or not. Excuse my birds, they're screaming at each other. I don't know, it's the second one, so I'm still new to Boxycharm. I do like the concept of it, of you getting 5 full-size products for $25. That's a good deal. But I just, like everything else, everything to me is like a hit or miss. Anyway, so I'm starting to do, excuse me, I'm kind of redoing my makeup room. We put up these 3 shelves that took a year, not a year, they took forever to put up. There's another shelf up there. There it is. I just wanted to kind of change up my room. And it's not done yet because this side of the bed is a hot mess. I have to get it all together and then I'll show you guys everything. But as of now, no, you can't see it all because it's a mess. But anyways, I had a good time today. Jeffree Star launched his Bloodlust collection. I will have that video up for you guys, and this Boxycharm unboxing. So that's just it for now. I've been tired. I haven't been feeling the best, but that's just how work gets to you and your work-life balance every day. You have to make sure and take time out for yourself to just literally sit there and do nothing and just regroup, because if you don't, you'll burn out and you don't need to do that. But anyways, I'm rambling now. I will get these edited and up for you guys, and if you have not, please like and subscribe to my videos, ring my bell, and I will see everybody later. Bye everybody.